This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. Yeah, I know y'all. I know y'all probably upset with me because I haven't been online, and it's been a lot going on. I have been getting my grandchildren. I think it started back in October or November. I've been getting my grandchildren on Friday. 2 of them. It's Camden and Kylie. And I've been getting them on Friday afternoon, and then taking them back on Saturday night. But in the meantime, when I picked them up on Friday, I was going to my daughter's house and staying there with them at my oldest daughter's house, and I didn't leave there until Tuesday morning. And then that kind of ended around New Year's Day. It was just really so hard on me and having to go everywhere and all. And then on Christmas Eve, my cat that I'd had for, he was 13 years old, Shady. He was my cat. He died suddenly. He had surgery. Let's see, this was Tuesday was Christmas Eve, and he had surgery on Friday and stayed there at the vet's until Saturday. Came home on Saturday and then died Christmas Eve, and that just really put my plans, just messed up my whole Christmas, because Shady was just with me all the time. And so that happened, and so then it's just been a lot of stuff going on, personal stuff and all that I really don't want to go into on here. But y'all, I need your prayers, so send me all the prayers you can, and I'm going to be making a video of me soon. I want to do one for the channel, to have like a greet for the channel, a greeter video for the channel. And I've wanted to, it's 2020, y'all, and I want to do something different with the channel, and I don't know. I'm going to try to be doing videos every day. I know it's really hard. I just do not know how to, I don't know the programs to edit the videos. I've got Windows Movie Maker now, and you really can't do very much with that. And I've got Filmora on my computer, the whole entire thing, but I cannot figure it out. I do not know how to do the editing or whatever with it, and I wish I did. I could make some hellacious movies videos or whatever if I knew how to do this. But anyway, today I'm going to make some chicken noodle soup. I've never made it before, and I got this. This is called, oh shoot, I've knocked off the name of it. Anyway, I saw this at Walmart yesterday. Let me see. I don't even see the top to it. Well, I pulled it off now, but it's chicken noodle soup that you just put, it says put chicken in, and it's got, see the noodles and all down in here, and I think it's got spices and stuff like that, and you've got 7 cups of water. So I've got 7 cups of water in here, but I'm going to add my own stuff. Y'all know me, I don't really, what is it? I don't conform to the rules. So this is just supposed to be 7 cups of water in the chicken. Well, no. I've got 1 large onion here. I've got 1.5 bags of baby carrots that I've cut in half, and then I've got like 4 stalks of celery. And I'm using my Instant Pot. I don't know how this is going to do. I'm just going to do these vegetables and stuff. The chicken's already cooked, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm going to go on and put in my all of these vegetables, carrots, celery, and onions in my Instant Pot. Alright, so they're all in there now. And then I've got, I'm going to go on and put this. I need to be able to see down in here, so let me get this up. And then I didn't realize that I haven't used my camera for a while and it was dead. So, alright, so I'm going to pour this pouch of stuff in here and we're going to see what else in here. Yeah, it's got like not very many, not very much stuff, but I've got this. What is this? This is broth base and seasoning. It's chicken flavored. I'm gonna put, what is the, add 2 level teaspoons of base mix to 1 cup of boiling water for soup. Add cooked pasta, rice, and heat prepared broth for complete homemade soup. I'm just going to put, let me see, one heaping tablespoon of this down in here, and another one, and then I'm going to put, I've got the chicken, I've got to cut that up and put that in here. I've got another thing of chicken broth, a 32-ounce container of chicken broth that I'm going to put in here. And then I'm going to put these egg noodles, fine egg noodles. I'm going to put them in here, I think after I let the Instant Pot cook, because these are so fine that, let's see, 4 to 6 minutes is all it needs. So I'm probably going to put this on saute after I cook this in the Instant Pot. After I put it under pressure, I'm only going to put it under pressure for 5 minutes to cook the onions and the carrots and the celery. And so then after that comes down, then I'll put the noodles in there. But I'll bring you back. Let me cut up the chicken and all and get it in here, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I've got the chicken in here. I would say it's probably 2 big chicken breasts that I've got cut up in here. I'm not sure if I need any more or not. I'll have to look. Alright, I'm going to put in a 1/2 tablespoon. I've just got this measuring out here. I'm going to put in a 1/2 tablespoon of pepper, coarse ground black pepper. And I'm going to put in a 3/4 tablespoon of kosher salt. Alright. And then now I'm going to put in 32 ounces of chicken broth. I think it'll go, it's almost up, no, it's going to go. Alright, so it's up to, almost to the fill line on here, which is pretty cool. Let me see how much chicken is in here. Yeah, I think that's enough. Oh, it smells good, y'all. It smells really good. I don't know what it's going to taste like, but it smells good. I've never really made chicken noodle soup before, so this is my first time. And I'm using a package or whatever with it. So let me put on the lid. You make sure that I've got the IP Lux, the 8-quart. Make sure that it's on sealing, not venting. You can see there. Put it on. I have a manual setting on mine. I'm going to go, it's on 20 now. I'm going to take it down to 5. All right, there it goes. All right, I'm going to take it down to 5. And if that's not enough, then, you know, I'll do it longer. But I think 5 minutes should be enough. And then I'll put it on saute, and we'll do the egg noodles for more noodles in here. All right, so I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, it's come down for pressure. It took it almost 40 minutes to get up the pressure. All right, so I'm going to take the lid off now. You always take it off away from you so the steam doesn't burn you. And let me see this. Let me get a spoon. And see if the carrots and all are done. Oh, yes, they definitely are. All right, so this is definitely done. I just can't get y'all over here. Now, let me see. Yeah, I can't get you over here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on saute. Let me see where these noodles in here. Yeah, these noodles are pretty much mush now. So I'm going to go on and put these Fine Egg Noodles. I'm going to put it on saute, which takes it to 30 minutes. I'm going to put these noodles in here, about half of this bag of the Fine Egg Noodles. All right. And I'm going to put the lid back on here. And I'm going to let these sit in here. I'm going to go on and turn saute off. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Turn saute off. And I'm just going to let these sit for 5 minutes. And 5 or so minutes. And I will bring you back, and we're going to have some chicken noodle soup. And I'll tell you what it tastes like. Okay, y'all. I'm back. All right, so I tasted this, and it needed something. I went on and put in the pot, I put a whole stick of butter in there, and some more chicken. I think it needed more chicken. You can see, I don't know, I don't know what it is. Let me show you. Whoops. Well, I gotta zoom out. I'm not getting it. All right, it needs, I don't know what it needs. I really don't. I'm gonna taste this for you. Oh, now maybe that's better. All right, let me see. Yeah, that's better. I put some butter in here. I didn't put any more chicken, but I've got my soup crackers. And that is real good. That's real good. I thought about putting some heavy whipping cream in here and making it creamier. But I've yet never put heavy whipping cream in my chicken noodle soup or whatever before. And I've had like Campbell's chicken noodle soup. My daughter, I think, used to put milk in it instead of a can of water. But I didn't ever do that. It is definitely good. That's way better. But I like crackers in my soup, so that's probably... And today is January the 23rd, and it's pretty cold. We haven't had but Well, really, we haven't even had an inch of snow this year. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know whether we're going to have it in February, have any snow in February. Might not even have any snow this year. But it's still cold outside, and I still wanted to fix some chicken noodle soup. So I'll have down the name. I've got another bag in there. It was three different chicken soups and one French onion soup mix. And they were on a shelf at Walmart, and they were all the same name. And I've never seen them before, but I'll have the name of it down in the description box, and the ingredients will be in there, and how long I cooked this for, and in the Instant Pot and stuff like that. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and I'm trying to get a bigger impact on Instagram too, so I guess I'm going to be putting the link to that on down there too. And also there'll be things that, a lot of different things that I use in my kitchen now, and I hope you will give this a try, and you have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.